all that shit, yeah. Like that, Boomtown, and like, yeah, my hood, like, yeah, my damn house, it sits about 100 acres. This damn house about 100 acres though, for it. Like you shit like that. Oh yeah. I got a bed frame right here. You see my bed frame? That bed frame right here. All I do is let the air match right here. Point the air match up. Boom. There's a bed in here too. I got a bed in here. Bought the bed, everything. I got a bed. I just sit on the seat. I'm so square. Love it so much. Sitting around. So you sit right here. One time, show you the whole phone well. Oh, they got that room. There's one of my phone in the right here. Got in the CFLPA. I'm planning to leave. Like I'm like this house supposed to pump about 100. Yeah, the house supposed to be worth about $100,000 guaranteed. Yeah. You see how they both. I had my hourglass right here. I had a shot glass on the table right here. Joby was in here with me the other day. After I laid it down and stuff like that. Shit like that. High acre, I got a high acre rim. They be shining things up. The white boy shining things up though. I don't want them like Boomtown. Like I would see like you see my dollies and all that stuff sitting on the ground. Acre, I got 100,000 acres. So then I could charge my anchor right here. Got an anchor right here, sitting right here on type. I charge that bit. That's something hit by 100,000 around right there. I'm gonna show you some shit right here, Boomtown. You see him? High pressure. What's up here? Alright. Girl on the road. You seen what was in my safe, my guns and stuff? See, I got them 1,000 guns in my safe right here. And anchors and shit like that. Whole time I go. That's right. I only phone. About an acre. About an acre now. Anyway. I see you. There's something sit right here like a dolly. See right here. I could have been built. Fit in the nail stapler. The nail kit. Of course I got real impact. All of my real impacts in here, 6 on the ground, stuff like that. Like he would sit around like, be like, boy, I never do it like that. This shit like that. Why you do it like that? In the morning. Why you do it like that in the morning? Boomtown. We out here beating my mama. Laying out here for real. How to ring up. You see the table right here? I got one right here. My red carpet and stuff like that. That's a red carpet right here. I wrote that right here, bro. I'm pushing shit, you know. Scaredy cat. That one red carpet right here. I keep it under it. Shit get basic, look cool and stuff like that. All that sits in the house, Boomtown. Like this about 1,000 acres. Look, these anchors, I got anchors and shit like that. You don't know. You don't want to see the shit that I really got to handle on that Boomtown. That's the other piece of that staff right there. My dolly and shit. You know, you seen all the stuff I had in there. They roll across the room like that, like boom. Dollies and shit. You see my hourglass right here. Can't find my light. I'm trying to light it up. Trying to light one up real fast. Well, anyway, like, yeah. All shit like, so nice. I wanted to show you, like, yeah. Hey, this is my workshop over here. I was sitting around $1,000 workshop. And then for look, let me show you right here. This one. The little boom from Rockford Sunny. That's about a dollar. It's 128, 250. That's another one of my cranes. That's another one, Dolly World. Look, this is one of my that's one of my sections. It's won't say so down, so deep, and so like that. Look, say one. I'm gonna show you right here. Say one of my crane seats right here. I'm walking Barbie World. I'm Barbie. Look, that's the red. That's a red car. They sit around here. Be like, please, boom.